Alright, welcome back. Or welcome to, I don't know. This is,
Wait, you just started?
yeah, Cry of Fear.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
I'm trying to find something.
Alright, so this is, wait, what map is this? I don't remember what it was called.
Suicide, something, something like that.
Oh, it's called Manhunt.
Man, oh, that's right.
Yeah.
Wait, why did you bring up the suicide thing? Because that's what the fuck's it, what?
What? I don't know, I forgot that we
Okay,
weren't
anyways,
doing
let's go
suicide.
jump that old dude in his bed.
Yeah, right.
Shh. Okay, there's nobody here. Let's go. There should be a fucking dude in the bed up here. Yes, only 3 bullets wasted.
Hold on, we haven't gone this way yet.
Yeah, now that I think about it, we really haven't.
Yeah. Oh! Oh!
Wow, dude, I just finally did you just finally answer to everything in the world now? It doesn't even fucking enter.
Yeah, that door doesn't even have a... Okay, well, let's keep going.
Oh, I think you put the. I know where you put the valves now.
Oh, do you put it? Okay.
Yep, I know exactly where you put them.
Wait, but why would we want... What? Doesn't make any sense. Wait,
Let's
where the
just
fuck are
go.
we going? We're supposed to be going this way. That's all my stamina, so I have to wait now.
Yep, I have to wait too, because I'm late as fuck.
Good shit.
When white people try to jump.
Sorry, goddamn. Oh. That was stupid.
You know, for police officers are pretty fucking stupid.
Did it?
I mean, like, the way we just charge up in here with guns fucking blazing,
Yeah.
like nonchalant, gives a fuck. Wait, watch out, stop.
Wait a minute. Oh my god, what's
Shh. I'm gonna shoot that little bitch ass in the head. Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Okay.
Bitch.
Oh damn, you got that guy fast.
Bitch.
Damn.
Yeah, I'm bringing my Gary's Mod skills in now. It's all over for you fuckers.
Wait, can you put the valve in this?
No, that's not where the valve goes. I don't think so. Let me check. Let me try. It looks like it'll go there, actually.
Can you... Yes? Did it work? No?
Nope. I know where it is, then. I don't have any bullets, so you have to protect me.
Here, drop the valves real quick.
Okay.
And then you carry all the syringes and shit. They use them 2 parts.
Wait, is that little fucker down there?
Yeah, I don't know where at though. Oh god, it went down too far. Whoa, I don't see him this time. Here, go down
I
there.
see that.
Go.
I'm going. I see him. I don't see him.
Really?
He's not down here. He's not down here.
Oh shit.
Shh. He might be down here. You just don't see him. Sneaky little fucking niggers, man. There, I saw someone in there. Shh. Oh, you just fucked it all up, man. Why'd you do that?
Shoot him.
I don't have any fucking ammo.
You need a syringe, honey.
You know, why did you shoot that shit, man? Why'd you shoot your gun? I was not trying to be sneaky.
I'm sorry.
Look at this shit. Look at the empty depression in my gun that holds it so fun. You didn't pick up. God, stop picking up the fucking ammo!
Oh shit, I'm sorry. Fuck.
At least I was considerate enough to give you some of mine. Goddamn. Ow! Fucking prick. Cool.
Yeah. syringe.
Hey, yeah, I'll take that. Wait, were we just out here?
No.
Oh, okay.
Alright.
Yeah, okay.
Fuck, so now we're gonna
Okay,
have to...
no, I just realized that there's something wrong here. This nigga ran through the door. Like, he can run through middle, but steam will kill him, apparently. Okay.
Alright.
That's
So then,
logic.
that means we go back to where those valves
We
were?
go, yeah, we go to the other side and fight them. Oh my fucking god! Shit, I went up way too far. Where'd you go?
I'm already down.
Wait, I'll just go to the other side for you then, yeah?
Come down.
Come down?
Yeah.
Wait,
Like, come down here.
come down there.
Did you... Alright, you went all the way up the stairs, didn't you?
No, I won't.
I got a feeling you're only saying no, but you actually did.
No, I'm down back at the steam thing again. I don't even know where the fuck you went.
Oh, shit. Well, there's like a lot of shit I'm gonna have to kill, so...
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna come with you. Come back. I don't know where you are, though. That's the thing I need to come back to.
Nope. 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 Heard a chainsaw, dude. Nope.
Oh, that's what that noise is?
That is... No. You come here. You come here. Because we have to go this way. Come back to where we came from.
What do you mean?
Like, all the way back to where we came from.
Like the beginning of the map?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm gonna put something. Oh, there you are.
Come on.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, because
Just, wait, there were things back when you did that?
Yeah. I shot something in the face here. But you hear that, right?
Yeah, I heard that. I hear that right now. It sounds like a fucking, like a Honda. Okay.
I can't sprint. I can't sprint. It won't let me sprint. I can't. What the fuck? Did you get up there already?
No, dude, I got stuck in the wall. You got fucked.
Oh, you died?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. That was not good. Oh, I have the Glock, though. So, alright. I turned around so fucking fast. Dude, that was
Further investigation.
scary as
We
hell.
realized that there was another way to
You're like,
prevent
do you
Simon
hear that?
from
We fucking
taking
walk
over
right
this
into it. You're like, oh
world.
shit.
We had somehow
You're like, we
stopped
both
the
get really
doctor
silent. Fucking started
becoming
running.
Simon's therapist. Maybe Simon
I died
wouldn't
because I
have
got
ended
stuck
up
on the
in this
wall.
situation today.
God
We tried to see how it could
My
have ended
heart.
differently if we stopped the source of all his
I
problems.
feel so bad for
the
my
doctor.
heart.
Our mission is to locate him and stop him.
Fuck, that was absolute gold. I love this. I've been playing. We've been playing together since like fucking 12 o'clock.
Yeah, I know. It's already 4 a.m.
7 a.m. over here almost.
Shit. You just gonna stay up all night? Or all day?
Fuck yeah, I'm staying up all night
Yeah.
and all day. Today's Easter, so I mean, I got all day
Shit,
on.
that's right. Dude, alright, happy Easter to everybody, by the way.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah.
Happy
Yeah,
fucking Cry of
2016.
Fear. This will be known as the night where we stayed up all night playing Cry of Fear and made a very cool GIF as well.
Wait, what?
We just shoot him directly in the head. All I gotta do is crouch and stop moving, and your lenses will focus, and then you'll fucking shoot him. That's how it works. It's like Alakazam shit. Something.
Nuh-uh.
Wait, why would... Dude, they vary in place, don't they?
Yeah, they like spawn in different places, I think.
Quiet. There's no one in here. Never mind. Never mind. Oh my fuck. Okay.
Yep, well, good to know they spawn in different places.
Okay, you got the valves.
Yep. Honestly, I want to see
What's
if I
that
can...
noise? Come here, come here, come here.
Oh, dude, come here.
Come here, no, come here, come here, come here.
Well, if you jump
Seriously.
back down, there's actually
Seriously.
stuff now.
I know, but come here. Come here for a second.
Okay, come.
Oh, it's getting closer. Come here. Come here. Do you hear that noise too?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
What?
What's that fucking noise? It's scaring the shit out of me.
It was that thing.
Let's go down there. Let's go down there with guns blazing, okay?
Oh god.
Who cares if it gets us killed? Just get ready. Wait. Okay, I have a Glock out, so it's got a lot more bullets.
Right here.
And I switched it to automatic mode.
Alright, you ready? Just come back here where I'm at and then shoot the shit out of everything.
Okay, just go. Go. Yeah, bitch.
There you go.
That makes everything so much less scary.
Just running in and shooting the fuck out of everything.
Listen to the fucking death metal. Bitch. You know you can dodge by double tapping the movement keys, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I learned that because every time I randomly, like, fucking fly weirdly. Yeah, that one only took 2.
You ran through the metal gate, but the thing is still killed.
Uh-oh.
What a fucking dumbass.
You know what I learned?
What?
That's not a chainsaw guy that got killed in the fucking thing. That's one of those Michael Myers looking ones.
No, that's a chainsaw noise right there.
No. Well, that's the chainsaw noise, but that's the dude on the other side of the gate. The Michael Myers guy was the one who died in the steamy thing.
Yeah. Have you played the actual campaign of Cry Fear, though? Where the actual chainsaw dude comes? Like the legit one, like the OG one?
Kind of like in, fuck, what is that game called? Resident Evil 4?
Yeah. You bust through the fucking thing, dude, and freaking out. Like, holy shit. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Wait, where are we going? Are we supposed to go back to where the valves
Yes,
are?
but I don't want to.
Let's do it. Let's do it anyways.
Alright, but if we're going, we gotta go in guns blazing, okay?
Okay. I remember
How much ammo you got? Yeah, I'm like,
I got a whole clip.
I'm gonna reload.
Okay.
Alright.
You look like faggot Russian fucking policeman. Who cares?
You look like that one guy on YouTube who does the hacks.
What? Wait, did we go this way to get
Yeah.
murdered?
Yeah, but I want you to start running back, and we just start shooting the shit out of him, okay?
Okay. Or maybe you can sneak in first. Just try sneaking and turn your flashlight off. Just sneak. Just sneak. Turn your fucking flashlight off.
Shit, sorry.
Shh. I'll try to find him. I see him. I see him swinging his fucking chainsaws around like a dumbass.
Alright, just start aiming for the head.
Hey, listen, no, listen. Listen, see, there's a problem with this dude. Why are you all the way back there? As soon as this dude sees us, his head's gonna start twitching. Hey, make that into a GIF right now. It won't be done.
I saw your fucking mouse skull falling. You did that shake thing when you get scared. And I heard your fucking mic just. Oh god, that's funny. Fuck.
Yeah, you gotta make that into a GIF right there too. That'd be great.
I will. We
How
gotta
easy
kill
is
this chainsaw dude.
Did you kill the chainsaw?
Further
We
investigation,
need to.
we realized that there was another way to prevent Simon falling deeper into his pitch.
Okay, buddy, Simon.
If we had somehow stopped the doctor
Simon
from
can
becoming
suck
Simon's
acidical
therapist,
dicks.
maybe Simon wouldn't have ended up in this situation today. We tried to see how it could have ended differently if we stopped the source of all the
took
problems.
policemen from the police department, sent them to a
Our
fucking...
mission was to locate him and stop him.
Can you hear me in game? Faggot. Here, I want to see if you can hear me in game, okay? Quit moving your mic. Jesus. What?
Show your tits, bro, instead of plugging in my fucking...
Oh, you're so quiet.
I said chill your tits.
Okay. Well, hey.
Wait, on a scale of 1 to
Wait.
10,
Shh,
can
shh,
you hear me?
shh, shh, shh. Can you hear me in game? Queer.
No.
All right. Hold down K.
Hey, how's it going?
Okay, let's go. Let us do. Fuck. Let us do.
Nope. Doesn't work. Okay, wait, let me do it. I can do it in one bullet. Let me do it. Just so we don't waste any ammo. This ammo's important. Why isn't my crosshairs going together? Here we go. There we go. Okay, let's go.
I kind of just want to run around and spam E in the bushes to see if I can pick up anything. Yo, hold on. Once we pick up the valves, though, let's run back. Okay? Fuck.
Yeah, but we gotta put those valves where that crazy dude is.
Yeah, exactly. So before we go all the way to see where
Oh,
the steam is.
you know, unless your ass is able to run back here and jump up on this shit real fast and gun his ass down, I don't think we have a chance, really.
All right.
Or we conserve our ammo by beating everything in here up.
You know, that's not a good idea, but
Okay, let's just go. Let's go. Fucking batons blazing. Okay, that nigga ain't happy. Beat your fucking ass, bitch. You ain't the only one who got arms.
you ain't the only one
Bitch.
who got arms. Ah!
Yeah, get wrecked, son. You came in first. I'm like, damn, you had the biggest opportunity to grab those bitches.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, I'm gonna go out and beat the fuck out of this African kid.
Alright, I'm gonna go up and beat the fuck out of the other African kids.
Actually, I need to grab some health because I'm gonna fucking die.
Alright, right there. I can't jump to my death. That's sad. Alright, Justin. He's already looking at me. You ready?
Hey, we go in there. We both beat the fucking shit out of him.
Alright, 3. Yes. Wait, do it.
Be like, we're gonna beat the fucking shit out of him, alright? Alright, let's go.
I can't even reach him. Alright, I got the other one too, though.
We were supposed to fight the same monster, not separate ones, because I got fucked really hard.
Yeah, same. Get fucked.
Beat his ass, bitch.
Alright.
Okay, I need to borrow this syringe here
Yeah, same.
because I have 12. Oh, we both have syringes. Fuck yeah.
Alright.
How much Glock ammo do I have? I have an entire clip and another clip.
Nice.
So that's pretty good.
Waste. Alright, I'll waste my ammo on this guy because I have 3 clips.
Alright, wait, where are we going? It's like that face when you get clotheslined by steam.
Yeah, right.
Wait, so what's the point of coming over here anyways? There's other than like entering the gate, there's no reason
I honestly
to be over
thought we should have went the other way, but
here. We have to go back now.
yep. Alright, now we gotta kill that one bitch.
Yep, I'm gonna have to hold my Glock for this one. Let's go.
You know how fucking hard that guy's gonna be to kill?
Pretty fucking hard, I guess.
Just all you
But
have
I
is
don't ever turned out a challenge.
Wait, don't. Yeah, I was like, headshot him first.
Ferguson all over again.
Damn. No, come here. He looks like fucking Michael Myers. Like all the ones with the axes do. The hammers.
Yeah.
Fuck. How do I make it obvious?
Can I make it obvious one?
I wonder like
Actually, you know what? Let's come up with a fail-proof plan. Okay.
Alright.
Okay. Let's say he's coming after you, and you're fucking running. You hurry up and hop around here, and try to get up here as fast as you can, I guess.
Alright.
Do you want me to grab them real quick since you probably have a harder time getting up here?
Yes.
Okay.
But I'm gonna sit here and shoot the fuck out of him. You need to get closer.
Yeah. Shit. I'm not trying to waste my ammo.
A lot closer.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, are you recording right now? Because this must be great.
Yep.
Help me.
Oh, why the fuck is none of my ammo? Alright.
Oh, this nigga is crazy.
We did it.
Yeah, get
Yeah.
down. Columbine.
Yeah, smoke him.
Smoking them, toke them.
Hey, we should have done that in the first place.
I'm just glad it fucking worked.
Alright.
Okay, put the pipe right there. Good, gotta pull that shit. Now I gotta go put the other one. Or then I gotta hold it down like this.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So what's even the point of...
Let's go, let's go. Of course.
Boy. I can't even move. Dude, what the fuck?
Yeah, like he was inside of me, but it's fucking...
I need a syringe so bad right now.
Yeah, you need to like stay behind me because you're gonna get fucked up. Wait, where are we going? We're going back here. Here, just stay behind me. I'm gonna have to reload real quick. Like shit, where are we going?
I don't know.
Oh, that's right. We gotta go back up actually.
No. No, I'm
Yeah.
pretty sure.
No, we gotta go back up because remember the keys are on the other side past the
Wait, hold on.
smoke, which is used to unlock the doors.
Oh, yeah. Okay. I just wanted to see if there was anything in that room that fucker popped out of.
No, we've been in there already.
Ah, god damn it. No. He popped
sound
out of
like-
a room that was in the back.
Oh. Okay, I'm going to definitely assume there's fucking more in here. Like it's totally safe to assume that. Going down.
Yeah, it's very safe to assume that, but I don't know. I don't want to assume that because I'll die.
Okay, let's go.
So what even was the point of doing that? Like... Oh, what was all that shit you just picked up?
Something that opens this door. Which why?
I'm so confused. What's the point of opening that door?
Why the fuck? Why? Why does this matter? I don't understand what's going on right now. What the fuck? Okay, come here. I just unlocked the door.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, come here.
I got a feeling we're gonna have to run.
Let's see, by the sounds of it, I don't think we do.
Well, hey, at least we fucking got farther than we ever have.
For real. It's called smart tech.
Alright, is there stuff in here that I can take? Oh yeah, I found a syringe. Nice.
Can't see shit right now.
It's perfect. Got a fucking syringe.
Here. Oh, you don't have any ammo. What am I doing? This is a donator only weapon. Why the fuck would they put that there if it's a donator weapon only? Goddamn. Okay, I don't like that. Dude, what the fuck?
Niggers. No.
When black people do too much math.
Oh, that's so racist. Fuck. I'm like spazzing every time something jumps out. Oh, what kind of ammo is that?
Glock 15.
Okay, thank God.
This is
like
also Glock 15.
Fuck. Is everything Glock 15?
No.
Start spamming E in all the rooms.
It's really dark in here. I can't find it. You have to go straight ahead. No? Oh, found it. There's stairs, upstairs. And, ow, it just stuck me in my ass. That doesn't sound safe at all. Don't go out there yet. Don't go out there yet.
Well, fuck.
What is it?
Chainsaw.
Shoot it up, shoot it up, shoot it up. Ready?
Yeah.
Wait, is he chasing after you?
Yeah.
Oh, here. Okay, I hear him, but I don't hear him. Get closer.
I don't want to move. I don't know. Is he up there?
Yeah, I see him up there. Can't even get to the doorway.
He got through the door.
Here, hold him back real quick so I can pull out my other gun. That man is dead.
Yeah, I got him.
Fuck yeah. Oh, look at the way he laid down. What a prick.
What a prick.
Oh, shit.
What?
Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where are you?
I'm down in the thing. Why? Where are you?
Man. Dude, I'm scared. I don't know where you are. Oh, I got scared as fuck, man. I thought we got separated.
Oh, don't worry. Where's the Simon?
I don't know. I'm not sure. Where is he?
Well, when I started walking this way, it popped up. So
Okay, so I guess he's in this direction then. There he is.
where's he at?
He's back there with the
I
rest
see.
of them.
Simon, you bitch. Fuck.
I'm out of a lot of ammo.
Holy shit, he's raping me. Oh my god. Why is he fucking shooting at me? Like, of all people.
Because there's only two of us here, I guess. Just back up, back up.
I mean, of us. Why is he shooting me? Alright, how low is your health?
41. Yours is lower than mine.
24.
Oh shit. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. We
What?
better watch out. There's niggas out here. And they're scaring me right now.
We're at... Oh. Bitch. God damn it. Tax.
No ammo. I have absolutely no ammo. And anything. I'm completely useless right now.
Oh shit!
What?
I died.
Oh shit, you died? What the fuck?
Help.
Here, I'm gonna grab your ass.
Please and thank you.
He's like, well, what are you guys doing over there? I'm like, we're right by him.
Yeah, you better move out of the way.
Oh, you need a key to get through? Let's see. Nope, I don't have the keys. Never mind. I guess they would just take it.
Got it.
God, this game's fucking hard.
Yeah, it is. Honestly thought this was gonna be some like Left 4 Dead bullshit.
Everyone push. Wait, there's something over here. There's a house that I will probably get fucked in very hard. Yep.
He wasn't moving at all. Ah! What the oh, that was me dodging.
Glock.
Did you just take a syringe?
No, just take a Glock.
Oh, okay. Another one?
Yep. Uh-oh.
Nice.
Okay, I'm about to fucking die.
Oh shit.
Fuck. Fuck, it's busted. Give up, fuck. Hey, come down here with me.
Down where?
Right here. I'm scared. Can't go upstairs. You have a shotgun, you go first.
Watch out.
Damn, you fucked that bitch up.
Oh, I killed her?
Look how she laid down.
Fuck, I didn't think I killed her. Don't turn the corner. Or turn the corner, yes. Fuck, I had to reload. You're lucky.
This house is fucking pretty big.
Dude, this reminds me of like Resident Evil. This is big Resident Evil feel.
This game is fucking creepy.
Well, shit. What was the point of coming up here?
I don't know, but I'm dying.
Oh, right here. Right here.
Yeah, I see it.
Jump and crouch?
Ducking. You have to duck and do it.
Yeah, I see.
Like, what is this gonna help us accomplish?
Oh, fuck.
Is this like telling us to commit suicide because we're worthless?
Watch out.
Oh!
I'm surprised you didn't see that.
No, I didn't, unfortunately. I'm dying.
Yeah, same.
Nigga, you have like way more health than me. I'm about to die.
Oh, shit, you're at 9 health?
Yeah. Pretty low feeling right now.
Alright. Oh,
Keys.
keys. Do they have syringes? Nope, probably not. Oh, that's fine. 9 health. Holy shit.
Go in here.
Where did you go? Justin,
What?
jump off the balcony.
What?
Jump off the balcony.
Jump off the balcony?
Wait, hold on, wait. Don't jump off the balcony. Because isn't there keys to that?
Oh wait, that's right. We have the keys stuff.
Yeah, the gate outside?
Yeah.
Are you out there?
It's not that one.
It's not?
Where are you at?
Look up.
Oh, I'll be up there in a second. 1 second.
I don't know if there's any other place we should be, though. Yeah, did you check all the doors in that house?
Yeah, I'm checking if any of them were quote unquote locked.
What?
I'm checking if any of them are locked.
Oh.
Here we go.
Did you find one?
Nope. Oh, yeah, here we go. We'll try that. Nope, it's locked. Door's stuck. It's stuck. This door's locked.
Whoa, I heard something.
That was me. I'm dying, you know.
No, I heard it.
Yeah, that was me. I'm dying.
No.
It's locked. Fuck.
What did that say?
No. 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 Yep, there's nothing important in this house. I'm assuming if you fall any further than that, you fucking die.
Nope.
Yeah.
Oh,
If I fall
well,
off-
yeah, never mind.
Yeah, if I fall off that, I'll die, so. Oh, wait, never mind, it doesn't care. You just revived me, remember? Oh, I just jumped on top of your head. Never mind.
God damn. Alright, let's go down the way that one bitch was.
Okay. Wait, you been down here yet? Hey, have we been down here yet? Down here?
Have we?
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, that's right, we have.
Oh, yeah, okay, so we should go this way, actually.
Why?
Because that's just a giant loop around. Let's go. Yeah, because we came in through here, right?
Where are you even at right now?
Looking at some stairs.
Oh, that's right.
Here, go up there, yeah. Nothing? Come here. Try this one.
This one?
Yeah. Fuck.
No, not this one.
I'm pretty sure if it's like the door, like the knob is stuck. Ooh, come here.
It's right here.
Do you find it?
I found it, yeah.
Where?
1 second.
Go into
Yeah,
it.
let's go. Right here.
Go into it.
Here. Yeah, turn it. Right here.
No.
This is it?
Are you sure? Because this is
Yeah,
this is
I
where we
just
came
unlocked
from,
it.
though, right?
You believe me now?
Kind of.
Okay, that's good.
Oh shit.
What?
There's a lot
Still
of.
9 health. I'm going to
Fuck.
Where are you at? Oh, you're out here.
Fuck.
I can't really run anywhere.
This thing raped my health.
Hey.
Oh. Does not.
This is fucking happening.
The one time I didn't reload. Oh, he's stuck.
Yeah,
Perfect.
I can't move. I have anything. I can't shoot him with anything. I'm completely out.
Got it.
Just curls up into a big ass ball because he's a little tiny bitch. Oh, I have 3 health left.
I would have let him kill you so I could revive you and get you 30 health back.
Oh, why don't I just jump off this cliff right here and make myself die? Never mind, I can't. I'm tripping out right now. Okay. Why is the stairs right here so broken? Whatever, let's go.
You can't go up that way.
One knife?
Yeah, real quick, get killed.
Okay.
Oh, oh no!
So, how would your plan go?
Oh, I didn't know you had a gun. Well, that sucks.
Wanna play a different map?
No, because we're back at the checkpoint.
Oh yeah, that's right. Just checkpoints.
Shit, forgot
Oh,
about
how the fuck did I get a shotgun?
What?
I got a shotgun.
I don't know, but come here.
Oh, I said I got a shotgun.
I know, but I don't know, come here.
What I'm saying is, we have like fucking hardcore manpower. Don't waste your shotgun ammo, by the way. Use your pistol. Because your shotgun is extremely OP and is needed for strong targets like chainsaw dudes.
Come on, get him caught on the thing again. Yeah. What even is this? What gun are you using?
Electric. Bitch. Watch out. Okay, just shut up. That's all I can do.
Oh, he's still not fucking dead? Jesus.
Yeah, he's hard to kill for some reason.
It's like the hunters in fucking Left 4 Dead.
Shh. You want that knife right there or no?
What? A knife? What do I
Yeah.
need that for?
I don't know. Why not, right?
Yeah. Wait, let me switch to my actual pistol so I can get this bitch. Got her. Woo.
Fuck yeah. Watch out, it's a bed, dude.
What, where? Fuck. I can't shoot him.
This guy's got 3 fucking heads. I wonder why.
I can't kill any of them. I don't have any ammo.
Right.
Get the fuck out of here, you little bitch. I have no use. Now I have to use my shotgun. I literally have ammo for nothing else.
Shit.
Shit.
No, I don't much appreciate the way you just provoked me, sir. Fucking freak. How many shells do I have? Damn.
Ooh,
The way
that
you
little
just
girl's
said
facing.
Why would that need so many bullets?
Fuck. These people-
Here, I got him. Don't waste your bullets. I got this.
Where the fuck are you, dude? Oh, okay. I'm
Why don't we
literally...
just take this bike and get the fuck out of here? Hey, look, it's a shotgun. Come here and take these shotgun shells.
What, where?
Right here.
Ah. Thank you. I needed that shit. It's my fault for wasting all of it, though. Looks like you're saving my ass from now on.
Oh, great. Fucking water. I'm pulling out my shotty for this. This is creepy. Did we just double tap his ass?
Yeah, I was like, I don't have the ammo for it.
I only have one bullet left in my shotgun. And now fucked. And the reason why you probably wanted that knife right there. Okay, come over here.
We're making progress. Alright, don't come flying out, by the way.
Okay. How many ammo left? I'm out of ammo.
I do not.
I think I'm out of ammo and everything.
I know I am.
That, I'm out of ammo on that. And, nope, I have some.
Fuck. Okay.
I had some spare ammo left. I had to fuck that dude up.
Oh, we're at chapter 2 now.
Ow, that nigga has a gun.
Alright, well, there we go. Chapter 2.
He just gave me ammo and something.
Alright, I'm gonna
Fuck yeah,
stop
give me
you
a
here
full
now. Yeah.
What?
Try fear.